Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the hardware. Charge your AirPods Max above 50% so resets aren't interrupted, and place them next to your iPhone. Once done, turn off Bluetooth on other devices to rule out pairing conflicts. Now check for firmware and iOS updates. Updates often fix connectivity bugs. If an update is available, install it, then restart both the headphones and your phone. This reduces variables before the deeper reset and diagnostic steps. You need to perform a deep reset to clear corrupted pairing data. Press and hold the digital crown and noise control button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes. Next, in your iPhone Bluetooth settings, forget the AirPods Max entry and make sure the headphones are in pairing mode before repairing. Then pair with only one device first, so you can test stability. If disconnections persist, use a Bluetooth scanner app to check for channel congestion and move to a less crowded location. You finish by systematically testing. Play audio while stationary, then while walking, and lastly near your router to spot interference patterns. If problems continue, reset your iPhone network settings. This clears Bluetooth caches, but make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords first. Once done, repair the AirPods Max and test again. If the issue remains, contact Apple support or book a diagnostic at an Apple service center. They can identify hardware faults or apply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.